7 Ways to Make Real Money with ChatGPT in 2026. I've tested all of these personally. Method 1. Freelance writing. Charge $50 to $200 per article, use ChatGPT to draft it in 15 minutes, spend another 30 minutes editing. You can take on 10 clients per week and work maybe 5 hours total. Method 2. YouTube automation. Script with ChatGPT, voiceover with Edge TTS, footage from Mixkit, assembly with FFmpeg. 10 videos per month, each earning $20 to $50 in ad revenue monthly. $3,000 a month within a year. Method 3. Affiliate content. ChatGPT writes comparison articles for products you promote. Rank in Google, collect commissions passively. Method 4. Selling prompts on prompt base. Well-crafted prompts for image generation, writing, or coding sell for $2 to $20 each. Write 100 prompts, list them all, earn passive income. Method 5. Social media management. Charge small businesses $300 to $800 a month to manage their Twitter and LinkedIn. Use ChatGPT to generate 30 days of content in 1 hour. Method 6. AI tutoring. Teach individuals and businesses how to use ChatGPT effectively. Charge $50 to $100 per hour. The demand for this is still massive. Method 7. Digital products. Use ChatGPT to write ebooks, courses, and templates. Sell on Gumroad or Etsy. No inventory, no shipping, pure profit. My top recommendation to start today: freelance writing. The fastest path to your first $100. Subscribe for the complete playbook on each of these methods.